friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribe, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this model, we are going to find what is the solution for fourth question. So here, what is the fourth question? Which term of AP series, that is 3, 8, 13, 18 is equal to 78? So we have to find, so nth term they are given, we have to find which term, that is n value, we have to find it here. So let's going to take, what is the first term? A1 will be equal to A will be equal to 3. So this is the first term 3, we know that one. Then what is the difference? That is A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1, A2 will be equal to 8 minus A1 will be equal to 3, that is 5. Then you can find A3 minus A2 also, that is 13 minus 8 will become 5. So this is the common difference. So we know that is nth term they are given 78. So we have to find which term for n value, how many number of terms are there. So what is the formula? An will be equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here nth term will be equal to 78. A will be 3. N minus 1 into common difference is 5. So we can get it 78 minus 3, that is n minus 1 into 5. So 70 n minus 1 into 5 will be equal to 78 minus 3, we will get it as 75. So n minus 1 will be equal to 75 by 5. 5 ones are, then 5 15s are. So 15, then 15s are. Then what is the value here? N minus 1 will be equal to 15. Then n will be equal to 15 plus 1. So what is the nth term? So that is nth term will be equal to 16. So 16th term, so what you can write? 16th term will be equal to 78. So this is the way to find the solutions. If you like the video, please like it and try to share with your friends and family members. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribe, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this model, we are going to discuss our fifth question. We have to find how many number of terms are there in the given arithmetic progression series. So what is the first one? 7, 13, 19 and so on, 205. So this is the nth term. Last term is 205. So what is the formula for nth term? An will be equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So don't get confused here. A1 will be equal to A, that is the first term. A is nothing but the first term. So here first one, what they are given, 7, 13 and 19 up to so on 205. So here let's take last term, that is nth term, 205 terms. So for that we need to find here A is equals to 7 and common difference is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is 13 minus 7, we will get it as 6. So 13 minus 7 will be 6. So this is the common difference, and An will be equal to, let's take A205. So nth term An will be equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A205. So An last term, that is 205 is the An 205. 205 is the value. So we don't know what is the, nth terms, we don't know what is n, we have to find it. Sorry for that. 205 is the last term. Then what is the first term? Will be 7 plus n minus 1 into D is the 6. So this is the value. So what is the n value? We don't know. That is the one. Then 205 minus 7 will be equal to n minus 1 into 6. So 205. So 205 means 198. Sorry, here 200 minus 7 will be 193. 193 plus 5, that is 198. So that is the value, n minus 1 into 6. So n minus 1 will be equal to 198 by 6. 6 ones are 6 3s are. So what is the value? 6 3s are 18 and 6 3s are 18. So n minus 1 will be equal to 33. That implies n will be equal to 33 plus 1. We will get it as 34. So this is the value. So number of terms will be equal to 34 for the first one, 34. Then what is the second one? So second one, same as it is here. An, we have to find it. So An, so A question mark n terms. So what is the given series? 18, 15 by 15 1 by 2, 13 and so on up to minus 47. So what is the last term? Nth term will be An will be equal to minus 47 terms. So A plus, here A is equals to 18. Then what is the common difference? that will be a2 minus a1. a2 will be equal to 15 1 by 2 minus a1 will be equal to 18. So 15 2s are 30, 30 plus 1 will be 31 by 2, 31 by 2 minus 18. So what value we are getting? Take LCM for this 2, then 31 minus 18 2s are 36. So 36. So here 36 minus 31 minus 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 2, that is the common difference, minus 5 by 2. Then here an will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here a value will be equal to 18 plus n minus 1 into d is equals to minus 5 by 2. So this is the value. An will be equal to minus 47. So minus 47 minus 18, this 18 will be left, that plus 18 will become minus 18, that is plus into minus will become minus 5 by 2 into n minus 1. So plus minus 47 plus 18. So here 7 plus 8 will be 8 2s are 16, 15, 1. So here 65 will be equal to minus 5 by 2 into n minus 1. So minus minus will going to cancel. Then 5 into n minus 1 will be equal to 65 into 2. So 2 5s are 10, 1 will be 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 13. So n minus 1 will be equal to 130 by 5. So what value we will get is 5 1s are, then 5 2s are 10, again 36 are. So 26. So n minus 1 will be equal to 26. That implies n will be equal to 26 plus what value we are getting? 5 2s are 10, 30. So 1, that is 27 terms. So n will be equal to 27. So here how many number of terms are there? 27 terms are there. So if you like the video, please like it and try to share with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe.